Kakong amperin lingdo ke badai ke menteri sorkar ke badai pet ya ketenat ke koi ke kia hapo ke jela ha ke khat riu terik risau arajar ar pulai kalalit banjungo ya ke wei ke Jaka Ijing Sumar ha Nongmynsong ya ke belatip kum kan Nongmynsong Wellness Center ha ke shnong Nongmynsong ha ke balasan ran lang do UMDC kalat Khra uba Joseph Fantin la kedong ringkat urang ba shnong jong ke shnong Nongmynsong uba perang warjri kinong ya lam shnong lem ru bat ki officer jong katanat PWD ha kini ke jinglet jingo ya kini ke Jaka Ijing Sumar ka kong amperin lingdo kalalit ban ya selok bat kinong trei kini ke shilam Ijing Sumar ban kintiu ya ka rukom Ijing Shakri syaki pat ba jong kathan Kham tam haki rukom Ijing Sumar ba Donkam kerki Habayo benyakren bat kani ke menteri sorkar kalayathu ba kani ke wellness center Nongmynsong ka Donkam ya ke Jaka ba Kham he naga benta ban kentiu kerdan syaka urban primary health center kumta ka kong amperin kala bethai ke dorbar shnong Nongmynsong ban phai ke jingker pat syaka Muda yo le se ondon lat ban pendenkam ya ke ying jong ka Muda ka bela syui Shrah bat ban kerpat syaka sorkar ban bei pisa ya ki wei ki jing Donkam naga benta ban pen bahaya ketika Ïngsah Shrah syuk ka kong amperin lingdo kala benrap ru ban pen bahaya ketika Jaka Ijing Sumar baka sorkar kala don lupa ke jing penmang san pusan lak bat rengkat ke jing snok tilang ki nongmi khmat kentup ya ka MLA bat MDC jong ka thain ban pendap ya ka pisa ka baduna naga benta ban pen bahaya ki Jaka Ijing Sumar
MDC jumi but DMNHO jumi director jumi but mapi kishnong namar ngilayo iba kane ka dispensary hangni hapo lompira Nongmynsong kalalong eligible yangi bangin upgrade syaka urban health center kane ka wellness center ka bakidon hangni hilya baba pinda yo I kinos ki doktor jumi iba pet lang bat ya ka renja jungi ngiyo iba kitre kamha ti naka health engineering wing jing shisha ngilaban pet bahaya kani ka building tang namar ba kani ka building pinda pet kala long in a dilapidated condition ngim kwa show pan function na kani ka building kano manta naka Muda complex naman haka master plan jong ka Muda building ka scheme ka bangiyo ng government of India kala don lupa ke facility bandon ke wei ke kerja urban health facility bat mentalele lada ngila ru ban pelong ya kata ke area ke kani kata ke center ba kan long ru ka ban pet ban kmi ya ka drug related problems ya ka tuberculosis but ya kita kiwi ki non communicable diseases ki bangiyo I ki long ki main causes of sudden death of several citizens hakini ki kindet panai ni hamp man pankre on a war footing man pet by yakini ki diseases ki bangiyo I ki balong ki main causes of death ha ka urban areas jong ka Shillong city need address drug addiction is a big problem everywhere kishnong pangkat bari MDC ki officers jong ka health department bat na nin trailang ringkat badi MLA jong kani ka area ru ba AL hek ru in join hands but nin provide ya kani ka area the one of the best centers namar ngiyo iba ka migrant population hangni kalong very big and large migrant population and let us do something lamar ngila banle ya kata tingi kermen by MDC in Yarap ini na mangila banya chakmat
Tingin nyo, kung lang ba, hani ka dong katani ka, bakulong ka dong kamera, jaka na kain ka health department, kasapan jaka na, ka na Muda. Ting laso tu, asa ka no ka budget kan drone huni.
Urban health centers have their own sources of funding through various schemes in the Department of Health. Approximately, kadai ka budget for a UHC will be about 55 lakhs, which is handed over to the community. Kin hap form ya ka VHC, Village Health Community. Rengkat bat kini ki officials ki jongi rengkat bat mangi kinong yalam. Ila bale kata. Very easily done. Kini lele kalau don ready made. Tikna kinyo Jaka. Out of the question begini nyo.
Tinggi ya tu tengkata arsan lak kelab yang tu.
55 lakhs.
Ka Donkam nam kom assistant komuniki MLA MDC.
Yes. Te idon MLA nyaram ini ngadon nyaram MDC idon nyaram. Question of not reaching the target will not arise. Idon ka CMUDF ru ka banyarap ini hakum kini kijan hep bang idon kam ban invest na kabenta healthcare and wellness.
Tinggi isu hani ka dong thai Nongmynsong ikinan kibun bak jing senyong la se ka hel di pat ka tinjar ban takel ini ka kiliang ki pulit mak jubun ki drugs pat ki wei pat ma klung kena kelangan.
Correct. Kani kam day ka problem tangjong ka Nongmynsong. I think drugs pinda UI haka last session juga assembly jungi. Most of the debates and discussions circulated around drugs. Kani kam day tang ka problem ka baki face ki Nongmynsong. Kani ka problem ka bala along ka common enemy yaka state. We have to treat this as the biggest enemy of the state in terms of health and wellness. We are all well conversant with this. We have to act. And the only way is to do it immediately while we are all here and in office. You have a government that is looking positively towards reduction of drugs.
We have seen the health department cannot access and give the statistic of people which involved in HIV drugs.
Absolutely. In test lang baro, the government of Meghalaya menta rengkat bag sarkar kami nile ya ka program in the katuka program for
intensified mission
Indra Danush mission. Kabamot ba kata ka Indra Danush intensified mission intensified mission Indra Danush. Kabamot ba kumni for COVID kibon makiklong. Kibakdo ya ka vaccination joki. Itu ki normal injection boki ay ki kun baki dang red. Hado age 1 nang ta age 5 nang ta age 10. Pon magi kon jungi ki miss ya kata. Kani gari ka chance pribon one shakum kini ki center. One shim ya kitu kitika. Nang bagi tu kitika kinyarap iki kun chupi ban yada iki na kijimpang ki babon. Ka polio, ka measles, ka diphtheria, ka tetanus. Papun ba ta kijimpang ki babon ki bagi kun ki jungi klem poi perkat yo. This is the chance